Say it again, Braylon. Riley, get down. What are you trying to say? Get it out. Just spit it out, Braylon. Just say mama. Just say mama, mama, mama. You don't have to start out saying a sentence, just say one word. Mama, 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 mama. Braylon. Da 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 da. No, not today, he says. Stink face! You got a stink face right on there, huh? Watching those wiener dogs. It's just your favorite thing to do. Talk to Mama. Tell me about your day. Did we go for a walk this afternoon with the wiener dogs? We were outside for a long time today. What are you? Molly, stop. You have upper all over your chin. Hey, hi, Stink. Dink, fat, dink, fat, dink, fat, dink, fat, dink. Braylon, can you do your stink face? Stink face! Stink face! Stink face! Say, Braylon, say, stink face! You throw more stink face? Stink face! Braylon. Stink face! Stink face! Stink face! Molly! Get off. Stink face! You smell like your mommy doing it, but you can't do it? One stink face before I turn it off? No, you're just going to chew on your gums or your tongue. Oh, man cheeks. Oh, man cheeks. Oh, man cheeks.